Hello, good morning guys. It's 6 a.m. in the morning. Nandito po ngayon ako sa isa kong platform, ang Emerging Investment. Ayan po, Emerging Investment. Okay, ano ba yung unread message ko? May message raw ako. Recharge complete, thank you. Okay, Emerging Investment po. Okay, ang ginagawa po dito ay ayan po. Nag-invest po ako dyan ng $10 ngayon. Pipindutin ko yung get score to get income. Yan, pipindutin po yan. Ngayon, pipili ka lang po dyan ng gusto mong panoorin. Halimbawa, ito, the potential, mamimili ka ng isa lang. Piplay natin, rating please. Rating. Ayan po, piplay lang natin yun.
You're here. Welcome to my shop. There are people who say the most brilliant gift for the holiday isn't 24K.
Ayun, 1/1 na po. Ayun, may income ka na po na 1.33. Ganyan lang po kadali dyan. Thank you.